Auxiliary verbs in English. To be, to have, and to do verbs are called auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are used as main verbs and helping verbs as well. Let us see to be verbs first. Am, is, or, was, were, be, being, and been are called to be verbs. First, am auxiliary verb. Am auxiliary verb is used with pronoun I, and this verb is used in present simple and in present continuous tense. Example: I am happy. In this sentence, am has been used as a main verb, and this sentence is in present simple. Next example: I am driving now. In this sentence, there are two verbs. First verb is am, and second verb is driving. In this sentence, am has been used as an auxiliary verb, and this sentence is in present continuous tense. Next example: am I driving now? This sentence also in present continuous tense. This is yes or no question. In this sentence also, am has been used as an auxiliary verb. Next auxiliary verb is. Is auxiliary verb has been used with he, she, and it pronouns or with any singular form nouns, and it is used in simple present tense and in present continuous tense. Example: she is a teacher. In this sentence, is has been used as a main verb, and this sentence is in present simple. Next example: he is teaching English. This sentence is in present continuous tense. In this sentence, there are two verbs. Is one verb and teaching is another verb. Is an auxiliary verb in this sentence. And next example: is he teaching English? This is also yes or no question, and in this question also, is has been used as an auxiliary verb. Next auxiliary verb, or. It is used with we, you, they, and any plural form nouns. Or auxiliary verb is used in present simple and present continuous tenses. Example: we are Indians. In this sentence, or is main verb. Next example: they are speaking English. In this sentence, there are two verbs. Or is one verb, speaking is another verb. Or has been used as an auxiliary verb in this sentence. Next, are they speaking English? This is present continuous tense yes or no question. In this question, or has been used as an auxiliary verb. Next, was auxiliary verb. Was auxiliary verb is used with I, he, she, and it, and with any singular form nouns. Was auxiliary verb is used in past simple and in past continuous tenses. Example: I was in Mexico last night. In this sentence, was has been used as a main verb. Next, she was cooking at this time yesterday. This sentence is in past continuous tense. In this sentence, there are two verbs. Was is one verb, cooking is another verb. Was is an auxiliary verb in this sentence. Next example: was she cooking at this time yesterday? This is yes or no question in past continuous tense. In this question also, was is an auxiliary verb. Next, were auxiliary verb. It is used with we, you, and they, and also any plural form nouns. Where auxiliary verb is used in past simple and in past continuous tenses. Example: they were poor. In this sentence, Were is main verb. Next example, you were learning English at this time last Monday. In this sentence, were is auxiliary verb. Next example, were you learning English at this time last Monday? This is past continuous tense, yes or no question. In this question also, were has been used as an auxiliary verb. Next auxiliary verb, be. Be is used with infinitive and modal verbs. Example, I want her to be here at 5 p.m. In this sentence, be has been used with infinitive to. Next example, she may be a lawyer. In this sentence, be has been used with modal verb may to show possibility. He might be coming. In this sentence also, be has been used with modal verb might to show possibility. Next, being. Being auxiliary verb is used in present and past continuous tenses and also in passive voice. Example, I am being tired. It shows temporary state. In this sentence, being has been used to show temporary state. Next, passive voice example, English is being taught by me. Next auxiliary verb, been. Been is used in present perfect and present perfect continuous tenses. Example, we have been to Paris 2 times. It shows travel experience. In this sentence, been has been used with have verb have. Next example, she has been in Canada for 10 years. This sentence also in present perfect tense. Next example, he has been learning English since 2019. This sentence is in present perfect continuous tense and it shows how long an action has been running. Next auxiliary verb, do. Do is used with pronouns I, we, you and they. It is used in present simple and present continuous tenses. Example, I do homework. This sentence is in present simple and do is main verb in this sentence. Next example, I am doing homework. This sentence is in present continuous tense and doing is main verb in this sentence. Do form verbs are used in negative form in simple present tense and simple past tense. Next example, I don't know English. This sentence is in present simple and don't is an auxiliary verb in this sentence. No is main verb. Do is used in questions in present simple. Example, do you know English? This is present simple yes or no question. In this question, do is an auxiliary verb and know is main verb. Next auxiliary verb, does. Does is used with he, she and it. It is used in present simple and present continuous tenses. Example, she does exercise every day. In this sentence, does is main verb. Next example, she is doing exercise daily. This sentence is in present continuous tense and doing is main verb in this sentence. Next example, she doesn't know English. This sentence is in present simple and doesn't is an auxiliary verb in this sentence. No is main verb. Does is used in questions in present simple tense. Example, does he learn English? In this question, does is an auxiliary verb and learn is main verb. Next auxiliary verb, did. Did is used with any pronoun or noun. It is used in past simple tense. Example. We did exercise at this time yesterday. In this sentence, did is main verb. Next example. He didn't come yesterday. In this sentence, didn't is an auxiliary verb and come is main verb. Next example. Didn't he come yesterday? This is past simple yes or no question. In this question, didn't is an auxiliary verb and come is main verb. Next auxiliary verb has. Has is used with the pronouns he, she and it and any singular form noun. It is used in present simple, present perfect and present perfect continuous tenses. Example. He has a super bike. This sentence is in present simple tense. In this sentence, has is main verb. He has a super bike means he owns a super bike. Next example. He has learnt English already. This sentence is in present perfect tense. In this sentence, has is auxiliary verb, learnt is main verb. Next example. She has been learning English for 2 months. This sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. And in this sentence, has is auxiliary verb. Next auxiliary verb, have. Have is used with I, we, you and they pronouns and also with any plural form noun. It is used in present simple, present perfect and present perfect continuous tenses. Example. You have many skills. This sentence is in present simple tense. Have is main verb in this sentence. Next example. I have learnt English. This sentence is in present perfect tense. Have is auxiliary verb and learnt is main verb in this sentence. Next example. We have been learning English for 3 months. This sentence is in present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. And in this sentence, have is auxiliary verb. Next auxiliary verb, had. Had auxiliary verb is used with any pronoun or noun. It is used in past simple, past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses. Example. They had a car. This sentence is in past simple. In this sentence, had is main verb. Next example. John had learnt English before Lara learnt. This sentence is in past perfect tense. In this sentence, had is auxiliary verb and learnt is main verb. Next example. He had been learning English for 3 months. This sentence is in past perfect continuous tense and had is auxiliary verb in this sentence.